Beauties! Today we're spilling the tea on achieving gorgeous nails at home. Stick around for our step-by-step guide packed with pro tips. Hit subscribe. Let's get those nails on fleek. Remove nail polish. Begin your nail care routine by gently removing any existing nail polish using an acetone-free remover. This ensures a clean canvas for the following steps. Trim your nails. Trim your nails to the desired length. Aim for a straight across cut, and then shape the tips in a gentle curve for a polished look. File your nails. Shape your nails using a fine grit nail file. File in one direction to prevent splitting and choose a shape that suits your preference, whether it's square, round, or oval. Soak your nails. Immerse your nails in warm, soapy water for 5 to 10 minutes. This step softens the cuticles, making them easier to manage during the next steps. Cuticle care. Gently push back your cuticles using a cuticle pusher or an orange stick. It's crucial to avoid cutting them to prevent potential infections. Exfoliate your hands. Apply a gentle hand scrub to exfoliate your hands and nails. This helps remove dead skin cells, promoting smoother and healthier skin. Moisturize. Massage a nourishing hand cream or cuticle oil onto your hands and nails. This step hydrates the skin and promotes improved blood circulation. Avoid harsh chemicals. Choose acetone-free nail polish removers and minimize exposure to harsh cleaning chemicals to protect your nails from unnecessary damage. If you prefer, apply a base coat before your favorite nail polish for added protection. Finish with a top coat to ensure durability and a polished appearance. Regular breaks. Allow your nails to breathe by taking breaks from nail polish periodically. This helps prevent discoloration and maintains the natural health of your nails. Healthy lifestyle choices. Maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and refrain from harmful habits like nail biting. These lifestyle choices contribute to overall nail health. And that's a wrap on our step-by-step nail care journey. We hope you've enjoyed pampering your nails with us. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your favorite step in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty adventures. Until next time, take a moment for self-care